This surreal-looking animal is actually a golden snub-nosed monkey. Because of its unusual face, some people say it looks like the legendary Sun Wukong, the Monkey King, but their personalities couldn't be more different. These monkeys are known for being gentle, calm, and surprisingly friendly toward humans. They don't fight or grab food aggressively. When someone offers food, they slowly walk over and politely take it. If you reach out your hand, they may even try to share their own food with you. One of their most charming traits is the way they eat. They sit quietly, chewing slowly and carefully, every movement calm and graceful. So why are they so peaceful? Part of the reason comes from their social behavior. Golden snub-nosed monkeys live in cooperative groups, where females focus heavily on raising and protecting their young, which encourages nurturing behavior. Another reason is their remote home. They live high in misty mountain forests, far from human activity. With little exposure to human conflict, they've remained remarkably gentle and trusting.